Hey guys, Howling got back with another video, and today I am doing a review on the Beverly Hills and Teddy Bear Company animated Singing in the Rain dog. Now, I got this from my grandma not too long ago, and it was broken. I just messed with it a bit and it started working, and it can't move at all. It's always saying. Just to let it work, but it does move his arms side to side. I really don't have much to say about this, guys, so... I mean, it hurt it closed and come off for some reason. And I don't know if I am going to fix it to anytime soon. I mean, I'll like put it in down position because it does go up. It just doesn't go down. So I just want you to see that it does what that's supposed to do. Alright, I'll play it for you.
Just singing in the rain, what a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain. I'm singing, just singing in the rain. Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain. I'm singing, just singing in the rain.
Alright, that's Singing in the Rain dog. Just so you know, this arm is snapped. That's how I fixed it. For some reason, I was trying to like play with it a bit, trying to get it to move. I stabbed its arm and it started working again. I fixed something by breaking it. Kind of weird. But anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it.